Next cube. Hello. I'm doing an unboxing in the car. And there is a bug on me. I didn't even realize. Ah! Get off of me.
Talk louder.
Okay, we can hear you whispering. So yeah, this is another unboxing of a Rubik's Cube. But except I'm in a car. But yeah. Oh gosh. How do I do this? Ah, okay, here. We got the cube. It's not that smooth. I mean, it's good, but it's not. At least it's stickerless. So, like, the stickers don't peel off. But yeah. And it's got a stand as well. Whoa, next cube. Oh. I haven't used stands in a while, so I don't know how to put it. Oh, here. There. Wow! Okay, there. Next cube. Let's solve on this. There's my dad in the back. Scramble. So $9. I mean, it's good, but like not that good.
Buckle up, please.
Alright. So yeah. Doing an unboxing in a car. Alright. I'm doing J-Perm's way of solving the cube. Did you guys hear that? So I use J-Perm's way of solving the cube in the tutorial. Alright, almost done. Alright, there, cube solved. Alright. Hope you enjoyed the video of more, and subscribe for more unboxing videos and some crap and stuff like that. But yeah,
Love you.
bye.